everyone, welcome to my channel. Now, we are in the unit number 1 introduction summary level in the data warehouse and data mining subject. So this is the last video in the unit number 1. After that I will start unit number 2 in the next coming video. Now if I summarize all the unit in 10 points. Okay, so I would like to summarize all the complete unit within this particular 10 points. So we have to remember. Okay, so first point, so the data mining technology, it started with the database technology initially. Okay, this is the origin. Okay, first database technology evolved database management system. Okay, after that it converted as a efficient data analysis tool, so that became as a data warehouse and as well as mining. So this is the evolution. Okay, it started from the database. That is the first point. Second point, the data mining is the task of discovering interesting pattern from large amount of data. So this is the same point I have covered throughout my lecture in the past videos. Okay, so that is the ultimate goal. So we have to discover the interesting pattern from the large amount of data. Okay, so the data may be from anywhere, that may be database or data warehouse or any other repositories. The data availability is high. That is the reason we are going to generate the pattern. That is the second point. Next, in order to generate that particular point, what is the first step is we have to discover the knowledge. How to discover the knowledge? With the help of these things. Okay, knowledge discovery process. This is very important from this unit number 1. These steps are knowledge discovery process steps are cleaning, integration, selection, transformation, mining, evolution, and knowledge representation. So these are the things. So here mining is the fifth step of this KDD process. Okay, with the help of any diagram I have explained this same concept in my video lecture. If you want to refer this, just go through my playlist. There I have included all this KDD process. This is the third point. Next, architecture level. The architecture of typical data mining system includes database, data warehouse, and their appropriate servers. Okay, data mining engine also included there. And next, a module which is related to the pattern evaluation, and finally the graphical user interface. These are the major what do you call parts in the architecture. Okay, modules, you can say. All these are the modules in the architecture of data mining system. Next, the patterns can be mined from these sort of databases. Okay, these are the different varieties of databases are available in the outside market. Few are the relational data warehouses, transactional and object relational databases. All these things are I have explained in the previous class. Finally, next thing is the sixth point is it's a repository. What actually data warehouse is? Data warehouse is a repository of long-term storage of data from multiple resources. Okay, the sources are multiple and the duration is also long. Okay, so finally what is the ultimate goal of this data warehouse is, okay, with the help of data warehouse we can store the data, and if I perform the mining I can take the business decision. Okay, so this is the ultimate what do you call key point in the entire subject. Okay, decision making is very important. Next, Data mining functionalities. So what are the major concepts are needed to take that business decision? How we can able to take the business decision based upon what are the what do you call functionalities? Okay, how those particular functionalities will work. All these things are included this. So the discovery of class and concept. Next, forming the association relationship and correlation, obtaining classification, prediction, clustering, and outlier analysis and trend analysis. Okay, and deviation analysis. All these are the clustering analysis. And finally, similarity analysis. Okay, so these are the main functionalities we have studied in the data mining. And finally, how to summarize the data is with the help of the characterization and discrimination we can able to summarize the data. Okay, so this is the seventh point that is very important. Coming to the eighth point, if a pattern represent knowledge, okay, how extend we can able to believe that? For example, a mining system generated a pattern, how confident you are going to say that? So that is a degree of certainty. That means you cannot say that 100% that is a valid, up to some level. Okay, some validations are needed, some what do you call accuracies are needed, and so many things. Okay, lot of factors are going to be affected these things. Next we have studied 5 primitives. So in the data mining task, so you can just go through the previous video. So these primitives are very important. Okay, and DMQL, data mining query language, it's very important query language to process the data mining queries. And finally, this is the last, efficient and effective data mining is large in a large database poses numerous requirements. Okay, these are the challenges. So there is a lot of scope to focus the researchers on different fields. Okay, all these are available in this particular data warehouse and data mining field. A lot number of resources, what do you call, research scopes are available in this particular subject. Why? Because this is a multidisciplinary and the newly grown subject. So these are the 10 points you can remember from this first unit. These are the top 10 points. And finally, the end. So we can say that data mining is a growing technology which will help humans to take a business decision with the help of their functionalities. Okay, so this is the end of the first unit. So finally, from the first unit we obtained basic concepts of data warehouse and as well as the data mining technique. Okay, in the second unit I will introduce the course, and next I will cover the concepts from the second unit. Okay, in this particular subject. uh, thank you so much. If you like this video, if you think this is really helpful to you to understand some basic concepts, so please subscribe to my channel, like and share this channel to your friends. Thank you so much. Happy learning.